मैं पुष्पा भंडारी, सहायक प्राध्यापक रसायन शास्त्र, शासकीय विलासक कन्या महाविद्यालय बिलासपुर। मैं आज आपको एमएससी सेकेंड सेमेस्टर का स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बोरेन्स के बारे में बताऊंगी। चलिए हम चलते हैं अपने विषय पर। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बोरेन्स। हम जानते हैं कि बोरेन्स जो हैं दे आर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट कंपाउंड। इसको हम डाइबोरेन के स्ट्रक्चर से रिवाइज करते हैं। बोरेन यहाँ पर 1s2 2s2 2p1। एक्साइटेड स्टेट में दिस 2s2 इलेक्ट्रॉन गोes to 2py and these 4 orbital hybridize and they form 4 sp3 hybrid orbital. Now we see the structure here. These are 2 boron atom having their 4 sp3 hybrid orbital, out of which 1 sp3 hybrid orbital is vacant, and here the sp3 hybrid orbital vacant of this boron. This boron form 2 terminal normal covalent bond by overlapping 1s orbital of hydrogen and sp3 of this. Here also this boron form 2 terminal normal covalent bond by the overlapping of sp3 hybrid orbital of boron and 1s orbital of hydrogen. Here we see in this case, this is the sp3 hybrid orbital of boron which has 1 electron. This sp3 hybrid orbital of this boron atom is vacant, and this is 1s orbital, and these bond is formed by overlapping of these 3 orbital. We get this banana shaped bond. Here we see the basic thing is that this boron has 1 electron, this has 1 electron, and this or its orbital don't have electrons. So this is a 3-centered 2 electron bond, and this bond gives a electron deficiency nature to this structure. Means जो डाइबोरेन है, these are the electron deficient compounds. Now we have studied about the types of bond in our previous lecture. There are basically, we just revise it, 4 types of bonds are present in the boranes. BH direct BH bond, it is formed by the overlapping of sp3 hybrid orbital of boron and 1s orbital of hydrogen. That is, it is also 2-centered 2 electron bond. BB bond is also a 2-centered 2 electron bond. In this sp3 hybrid orbital of boron and this sp3 hybrid orbital of boron overlap and form a covalent bond here. Again, third type of bond is BHP bond. 1 sp3 hybrid orbital of boron and 1s of this hydrogen and sp3 hybrid orbital of this boron, they overlap and they form a bond. Here 1 sp3 hybrid orbital of boron has vacant, no electron in it, so it becomes 3-centered 2 electron bond. Another category is BBB bond. Here also these 3 boron atom sp3 hybrid orbital, they form this type of closed bond. Here we see that it is also 3-centered 2 electron bond because one of the sp3 hybrid orbital out of these 3 boron atom is vacant. So each boron atom contributes 2/3 of electron in this bond. Now we come to the structure of higher boranes. First we take tetraborane 10 B4H10. Here this structure we see that B4H2 into 4 plus 2. We can write it like this. Means it is on according to the formula BnH2n plus 2. It comes under the category of clozal-boron. We see the structure is like this. 4 boron atom form distorted octahedral geometry. 4 bridging BHP bonds. This 1, this 2, this 3, this form. They are 3-centered 2 electron bond. 1 direct BB bond is there. This is 2-centered 2 electron bond. And lastly we say 6 terminal bonds are present in this structure. 2 this, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is about the tetraborane 10. Now we come to next structure B5H9, means pentaborane 9. This pentaborane 9, in this 5 boron atom are at the corner of square pyramid, out of which this boron, this boron, this boron, this boron, they are the basal boron, means they occupy the base of the square pyramid, and this B5 is the apex of the pyramid. 4 bridging BHB bond, this 1, this 2, 3, 4. These 4 bridging bonds are present, which are 3-centered 2 electron bond. Apex boron atom is bonded to 2 boron atom B1 and B4. This and this, these are 2 direct bond, these are 2 direct bonds are 2-centered 2 electron bond. Now one closed BBB bond is present in this structure. Here B3, B5, B2, these are joined by a closed structure. It is also a 3-centered 2 electron bond. In this structure we have 5 terminal BH normal covalent bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4 and another 5. All are 2-centered 2-electron bond. Now we come to pentaborane 11 B5H11. In this structure, 5 boron atoms are at the corner of asymmetric square pyramid. This is asymmetric square pyramid. 4 boron atoms are at the base of the pyramid and this B5 is at the apex of the pyramid. This apex boron atom form two closed BB bonds that are 3-centered 2-electron bond. Here it is B1, B5, B4. These 3 boron atom and this, they form a closed BBB bond. In all these bonds, sp3 hybrid orbital of this boron, sp3 hybrid orbital of this boron, sp3 hybrid orbital of this boron overlap and they form a 3-centered 2-electron bond. Here B1 and B4 are linked by 2 hydrogen atoms. B1 and B4, they are linked by 2 terminal hydrogen, while this atom and this atom and this atom, they are joined by 2 terminal hydrogens in them. Now we come to hexaborane 10 B6H10. In this structure, 6 boron atom at corner of pentagonal pyramid. This is a pentagonal pyramid with this apex. Here boron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they form the base of the pyramid, while B6 at the apex of the pyramid. There are 2 closed BBB bonds that are 3-centered 2-electron bond, B1, B2, B6. This is a closed BBB bond and another closed bond is B5, B6, B4. These two are closed BB bond which are 3-centered 2-electron bond. There are 6 terminal boron hydrogen bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are attached with the boron atom which are situated at the pentagonal pyramids. Now we come to the another structure, another higher borane, decaborane 14 B10H14. It is also a arachnoborane. In this structure, this is a structure where 2 pentagonal bipyramids are attached and with a common edge. Boron atoms are at 2 pentagonal pyramids with a common edge. 4 BHB bonds are present here. This is one BHB, another BHB, third, fourth BH bonds. 10 terminal BH bonds are present, each with one boron atom. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 terminal bonds are which are 2-centered 2-electron bond. 4 BB bonds are present. These 4 BB bonds are like this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. These are 4 direct boron-boron bond which is also 2-centered 2-electron bond. Now last is 4 closed BB bonds are there. 4 closed BB bonds, B1, B2 and B3. Another B1, B4, B5, B3. Third one B5, B1, B10 and fourth one B7, B3, B8. This type of structure is this. Now this is all about the structure of all boranes having different types of bonding in them. Now we come to the uses of higher boranes. In higher boranes, diborane is the most useful compound. It is used as a catalyst in many polymerization reactions in organic branch and also it is used as a reducing agent in organic reactions. It is used for welding torches and for preparing substances which are used as high energy fuels and propellant. Thank you. Thank you.